What's popping? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do a beautiful emerald look using the Through My Eyes palette by I Love Sarai and ColourPop. And that's what it looks like. And honestly, I was playing around, trying to figure out what kind of look I wanted to do for you guys today. And this was honestly the first very innovative, very colorful look that I've done in a pretty long time. So I hope you guys definitely enjoy. If this is something that you would like to see, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like the video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so I have already primed my eyelids, and technically I just use the new Milani and Conceal Perfect Longwear Concealer. It's absolutely one of my favorites now. I wore it once and it lasted so long. I really love it. And then my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe M503 brush, and I'm going to take this color right here. It's like this beautiful mustard color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab the color above my crease. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take this color right here called Euphoric, and it's this really pretty sort of kind of like a coral color. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to build it a little bit above my crease, but underneath that yellow shade that we just did. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I'm just going to go ahead and make my crease, and then I'll show you guys what it is that I'll be doing. Alright guys, so what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to take this emerald shade. It's called Moody. It's this really pretty green, and what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to take some of the product and I'm going to pat it down in my corners of my lid. And now I'm just gonna go back and just tap down the corners, because you want to make sure that this definitely looks as potent as possible. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other side, so I'll see you guys right back. Now I'm gonna go in with this color Muse, and it's this really pretty kind of like a rose goldy shade, and that's what I'm gonna top off the middle of the shade with. So I already went ahead and finished my eyes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and do my wing liner with the Morphe gel liner, and I'm just gonna try to do like the cat eye look on the inside. Wish me luck, because it's really hard, super hard. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade Amaretti. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that Milani color. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Banana shade. And I'm going to go ahead and start baking my under eyes. Now I'm going to go in and contour my face. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Makeup Stick. And obviously it is Where's Walnut. It is the contour shade, of course. Alright, and lastly, I'm going to go ahead and just top it off with the Wet n Wild's bronzer in the Your Dragon Me Down shade. And I'm just going to top it off on a little bit. I'm not going to like go all out. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and take this Note Desert Rose blush. I'm going to go ahead and use the 7th Lash Premier Mink lashes. They're 100% Siberian mink. This is what they look like. They're actually my absolute favorite lashes. I've worn them so many times and everyone just loves how they look on. These are absolutely amazing. Go ahead and just slide on my lashes, and then I'll see you guys when I'm finished doing that. And then I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Sugar Mama. And this is really pretty pink nude. Go ahead and take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amazing highlighter. It's this really beautiful gold shade, and I thought with this look it would definitely look amazeballs. So here we go. And then lastly, I'm just gonna top off my brow bone with that highlighter shade. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just set my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So here we go. And then I'm gonna go in with a brush like I always do and just kind of set the Fix Plus on my face. Alright, so that concludes this look. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed today's look, and see you in my next video. Oh, and thank you for stopping by. Bye!